Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this episode we will change oil and filters for Ford Escort Mark III with 1.3 CVH engine. Theoretically, this is the same procedure as we did with Volkswagen Golf in previous episode. We are using same overpass, but this time, it's evening. Our CVH engine is warm and ready for oil change. Before work, make sure that engine is turned off, and car safely positioned. Make sure that you have all necessary tools and materials. Bonnet opener is located under steering wheel. Engine oil filter in CVH engines is located in the back. And air filter is right on top of the carburetor. There is oil filling cap. Safely place your oil drain tray underneath the drain plug. Make sure it catches all used oil. Use appropriate wrench to unscrew drain plug. Then carefully unscrew it with your hands and avoid leaking of used oil on yourself and environment outside drain tray. Don't waste your time on watching wasted oil. For faster drain, you can unscrew oil filling cap. Always replace copper sealing washer on oil drain plug before placing it back. If you are skilled enough, you can do it with one hand. As old oil have drained, clean drain hole. Take same appropriate wrench as before, and tighten drain plug with right torque. I must apologize for such bad image quality. Sunset came quicker as I expected, and I didn't have head flashlight. So, there was no way back. Now we are unscrewing oil filter. As it's positioned horizontally, there will be oil leak on engine and surrounding parts. So I have covered them with paper towels. Carefully remove used oil filter, and drain oil remains from it. Prepare your oil and filter. And most important, always lubricate filter's oil seal with fresh motor oil. Clean place where new oil filter will be placed on. Make sure that your new filter and hands are not slippery. Screw filter on and tighten it only with your hand. Now it's completely dark, and there are no reason to show you oil dipstick. For 1.3 CVH engine, add slightly more than 3.5 liters of fresh motor oil. Check your dipstick and make sure that you have done all correct. If everything is okay, add little oil amount to reach maximum level. And don't forget to place back oil filling cap. Before and after starting the engine, check drain plug and oil filter for leaks. If there is any leak, carefully tighten connection. After few minutes, stop engine, wait oil to drain down, and check level. Add oil until you reach optimal level. Optimal oil level is 3/4 of dipstick's measuring range. If you have done all correct, you will hear healthy and happy CVH engine sound. Some moments later, I have found hand flashlight, and checked everything once again. There was some strange buzzing form underneath. This buzzing sound came from small holes in exhaust system. A little bit later, we have sealed it with aluminium foil tape, until we get and install new exhaust pipe. Now it's time to go home, air filter can wait until tomorrow. Here is my advice. Always ask for help to control your drive from overpass, especially during night. It's good to start morning with fresh air filter change. Start with unscrewing air filter pan mounting bolts. Carefully disconnect all hoses and tubes from air filter pan, and then remove it from engine. This is good chance to check cleanness of carburetor. With same care, remove air filter pan top lid. Now you can examine your insect collection that your CVH vacuum cleaner has collected. Away from engine or other sensitive things, safely remove all dirt. Remove old, and place new air filter in pan. Then place and connect everything in back order. And now you can see that with some skills these procedures on CVH engines could be done with one hand and even in dark. Almost forgot to show you dipstick. Postscriptum. Top spec Escorts were equipped with electric dipstick that warns you when oil level in engine reaches minimum. But after many years, they are usually broken. Now you can safely enjoy your ride for another year.